Hey guys, you're watching the Crazy Pop-Up channel and I'm Bharti this side. So today in this video I will be doing a collective Miniso haul. So yeah, in case you're interested to watch that, then please continue watching. So today in this video I'll be doing a collective Miniso haul for you guys. I have received few requests regarding to do a Miniso haul and share my thoughts and views regarding the brand, because the brand is pretty new in India. So Miniso is a Chinese brand and they sell a lot of different variety of stuff in a very affordable pricing. Not too cheap, but it's not too expensive, you know, it's not going to break your bank. You can at least go to their store and within 500 rupees you can at least buy two decent items from there, which would be pretty helpful, you know, for you, whosoever, for whatever you're looking for. So first thing I purchased from the Miniso store was these pack of clips. Right now I only have one to show. Basically it comes with many different colors of these basic clips, and I like to wear these at home just to tie up my hair, and it really comes in handy when you are coloring your hair at home by yourself. So these kind of clips comes really in handy for that. Another item that I got from the Miniso store is a box of Q-tips. So when it comes to makeup, I always need Q-tips to correct any makeup mistakes. So Q-tips really comes in handy. Yeah, so these Q-tips basically came for 250 rupees, and you get a lot of Q-tips. By the way, you get a lot of Q-tips, and the quality of these Q-tips are very nice. Plus you get them in this nice container, plastic container, which you can obviously use for storing other things after you have run out of using the Q-tips. So yeah, I think Miniso is a store that I will definitely go again for, especially their cotton and Q-tips for sure. Speaking of Q-tips, another thing that I got for myself was cotton pads. So they have a very different variety of cotton pads as well. So I was kind of confused what I exactly wanted, which kind. I just wanted like cotton pads for using toner. So if you are really into skincare, then cotton pads would be really helpful for you guys. Yeah, and this one also came for 250 rupees, and the cotton pads are very thin like paper. So the cotton pads are very thin like paper, and I really like that. So that what I like to do is soak some toner, and then I like to just leave it like this. I don't like to go through this kind of motion. I like to just tap gently, and then I'm like done. That way, that's what my dermatologist recommended that I do. So that's what I'm doing, and it's really helping with my sensitive skin. So I really like this, and it comes, I've already thrown the packaging, so it comes in a very cutely packed as well. The packaging is also very cute. So yeah, this is also something I would definitely be repurchasing, that's for sure. So when it comes to kitchenware stuff, if I see a cute mug or a nice looking plate, any kind of cute cutlery, even a glassware, I would end up buying that. I really like to collect mugs especially. So yeah, Miniso is a place where I found some very adorable looking mugs, and I feel there's a nice looking cute mug for each person in the family. So it depends on your taste, and I really found this mug and it's so cute that I couldn't stop myself from buying it. So it's this pink mug. So you get a spoon, a cover for the mug, and you get a nice cute looking mug. So it's a very cute ceramic mug, and this you can use it in the microwave as well, and I really like it. And yeah, this is something I've been using it. It's like my everyday coffee mug now. And along with the cute mug, I ended up buying this nice cute cup, big mug looking bowl for myself. So yeah, I ended up buying one, and I thought the price was also not bad. So the mug came for 250 something rupees, and this was also 200 and something rupees. So basically each item is within 250 it starts, and yeah, I really like it. So this mug, it's also a ceramic mug. I like to have my meals in this mug, you know. So, and it comes with this plastic lid so that you can like cover it up and put it in the microwave so that things can cook faster. So when it comes to cheap affordable perfumes, there are some brands which does not really do justice to the cheap affordable perfume line, and there are some who make some very good cheap affordable perfumes. My favorite would be the Zara brand. Zara makes some very nice affordable range perfume in those small bottle sizes, which is very purse friendly. And another brand is the Marks and Spencer. They also make some very nice affordable perfume, which is purse friendly size bottles. So those mini bottles which you can easily carry it in your purse. And now it's available in Miniso as well, you know, in case you want to try out their perfumes. I would really suggest you guys to try it out. So I was just sniffing and I really like this one perfume, so I ended up buying it. So I ended up buying this perfume. As you can see, it's a very tiny bottle and it's very purse friendly. It's a 30 ml bottle and it came for 390 rupees. It came for 390 rupees, and the smell is very citrusy. It's a sweet and citrus kind of smell, so I really like it. It's a sweet citrus smell and it's not too strong as well. Since the monsoon season has started, especially in Delhi, it's been raining almost every day now, so one definitely needs an umbrella. So I really like cute looking umbrellas. I always search for very nice looking umbrellas. Miniso sells some very nice affordable umbrellas. They have those big long ones which kind of looks like a walking stick. Those kind of umbrellas also they have, and they have those very tiny umbrellas as well, the compact size one which you can fit in your small purse, and it's lightweight as well. So that ways they have some very nice selection of umbrellas, and I ended up buying this really caught my eye. What I really liked about this is that it looks durable. It doesn't look too weak, because there's some umbrellas which it looks like you can only use them one time and then it's going to be destroyed. And then there's some and those walking stick umbrellas, it's not really practical if you want to take that, you know, you can't really put that in your small purse and then be on with your day. So that means I really like this. It's not too big and it's not too small, and it's like it has a button, so that with the button you can obviously your umbrella is going to pop pretty soon. And I really like the color theme as well. It's a very cute umbrella, and it has UV protection as well, even though I'm not the type to use an umbrella during a sunny day. You know, I'm more of like sunglasses and then I'm out and about. So yeah. So guys, I hope you all liked this haul video of mine. As you guys know, I've really fallen in love with the brand, and they have come up with some nice stuff which is affordable as well, and innovative, good quality, and there is something for everyone out there in the Miniso store. So don't forget to check it out in case you are interested.